The Lost Ancestor, tracing the ghost lineage inside us. Deep within the folds of our DNA lies a secret, a presence unseen yet undeniable. What if a part of you, of all of us, belongs to a people who vanished before history could record their names? A lineage erased from time, yet living silently in ourselves. This is the story of the lost ancestor, a ghost lineage, not written in stone, not depicted in paintings, but inscribed in the very essence of humanity. Every strand of DNA is a witness, every mutation, every marker, a footprint left by ancestors who walked the earth in shadows. And as we trace this hidden lineage, we uncover mysteries that challenge everything we thought we knew about human origins. Who were they? How did they survive within us? And why did they disappear, leaving only whispers in the genome? Modern humans, Homo sapiens, spread across the globe over tens of thousands of years. Yet, as we look at ancient DNA, an astonishing discovery emerges. Fragments of a population entirely unknown, existing alongside Neanderthals and early modern humans. This ghost lineage does not appear in historical records, nor in the archaeological record. Yet genetic studies consistently find its traces, from Asia to Europe, subtly shaping our genomes. Populations we thought were isolated suddenly reveal connections. The past is not a straight line. It is braided, layered, and full of hidden intersections. To understand this lost ancestor is to explore the hidden architecture of humanity, a story written not in words, but in molecules, etched into every cell of every living person. The story begins over 50,000 years ago. Early humans migrated out of Africa, encountering Neanderthals, Denisovans, and unexpectedly a third population, our ghost lineage. Genetic markers, or haplogroups, act as the fingerprints of this ancient people. They left traces in mitochondrial DNA and Y chromosomes, preserved in modern humans. Evidence suggests that while this lineage did not survive as a distinct population, its DNA persisted. It contributed to immunity, metabolism, and possibly even cognitive traits in modern humans. Imagine DNA as a living library, each page a sequence. Some pages belong to ancestors whose faces we will never see. Yet in every person, the library whispers, "We were here." As humans spread into Eurasia, these ghost lineages interacted with emerging populations. They were absorbed through interbreeding, their genetic contributions quietly enriching new communities. Key archaeological sites reveal overlapping timelines: caves in Siberia, settlements in Southeast Asia, and even in Europe. Ancient DNA from these sites shows fragments of unknown lineages merging with known populations. This was not a single event, but a process unfolding over millennia. Migration, environmental pressures, and survival challenges all shaped how these genes survived within humans. Trade, hunting alliances, and shared habitats may have facilitated these genetic exchanges, leaving subtle signatures that scientists can detect even today. The ghost lineage contributed unique adaptations. Some alleles enhanced immune responses, others improved tolerance to extreme climates. Certain variants are linked to metabolism and energy efficiency, giving their carriers a survival advantage. Modern humans carry these inherited advantages without realizing their origin. They are silent, invisible legacies,
a reminder that ancestry is not only about visible traits, but also about resilience coded deep within ourselves. Statistics show that some populations have up to 2 to 5% ghost lineage DNA, enough to influence physiology and perhaps even subtle behavioral traits. It is a red thread in the tapestry of humanity, an invisible fingerprint that connects us to a long-lost people. What does it mean to carry a ghost lineage? Genetics is not destiny, but it is memory. The DNA of vanished peoples survives in our immune systems, in our ability to adapt, and in the stories encoded by our ancestors' choices. This hidden history shapes not only biology, but identity, a reminder that human connection transcends visible culture, language, and borders. In families, communities, and even entire regions, traces of the lost ancestor remain. They are a bridge to the deep past, offering insight into the resilience and adaptability that allowed humans to survive ice ages, migrations, and environmental upheavals. In every cell, the past walks with us, quietly guiding the present. The lost ancestor reminds us that history is never fully written, not in books, not on walls, not in monuments. It is written in molecules, invisible yet enduring. We are living mosaics, carrying fragments of forgotten peoples alongside the familiar lineages of Neanderthals and early humans. Each genome tells a story of survival, collision, and inheritance. In uncovering this ghost lineage, science reveals not just what humanity once was, but also who we are today, a complex, interconnected tapestry of life. And perhaps, in tracing these hidden threads, we find not only knowledge, but wonder, a reminder that the story of humanity is far richer, stranger, and more mysterious than we could ever imagine. The lost ancestor lives in us, and as long as we search, they will continue to speak through our DNA.